Hi everybody! Today I am going to share with you my first ever Project Pan skincare version. This is a project that's quite popular in the makeup community on YouTube, but I wanted to do a skincare version where I will put together a bunch of skincare products that I need to use up, and I will set a date by which this needs to happen. And the reason I'm doing this is that I'm hoping that this will help me really get my money's worth of all the products that I own, or at least most of them, because I purchase a lot of skincare and I find it hard to really use up any of my products because I'm always purchasing new ones. And hopefully this project will help me do this better. I do want to mention that most of the products in this project are products that I personally enjoy using. I only have one that I'm kind of like neutral on, but anything that I don't like to use is not part of this project. I personally do not want to use something that I don't enjoy using. If I happen to purchase something that I don't like, I just pass it on to someone who would enjoy it or just get rid of it. So I just wanted to mention that because I did try in the past to use up products that I don't like, and I end up not using them, and they're just sitting there in front of me and I never reach for them. Ideally, I want to finish all these products before the end of April, but I'm giving myself a chance up to the end of May to use some of them up, especially those that are still quite full. Let's go ahead and get into the first product. The first one that I want to use up, and this is one that I'm not super excited about, is the Omega Complex Cleansing Balm by Paula's Choice. I reviewed this, I would say, sometime last year, and I did say that I'm not super in love. It's not a bad product, but it's not the best cleansing balm out there. And I honestly never reached for it after that. Like, I used it only a few times and I just put it in my drawer, never used it again. And it's getting old, so I want to use it up. It's not bad, but it's not great, so I can manage to use it up. And I did put this line right here. This is how much I have used only. And usually with cleansing balms, I do tend to use them quickly, so I am hoping I'm gonna use this up by the end of this month. The next one is a product that I love, but I'm not good at reaching for, is the Cerave SA Cleanser. This is the Salicylic Cleanser by Cerave. It is amazing for oily skin types, but just amazing in general. And I have had this open for a while. I put this indicator right here just to show me where I was before the next check-in and to have an idea of how long really it's taking me to use it up. This product as well is one that I love, but I never reach for. It is the Mugwort Essence by the brand I'm from. This is a very soothing essence, and I love to reach for this when my skin is feeling a little bit irritated for whatever reason. This is a great product. It is also super hydrating. I just don't reach for it as much, and I don't know why. So again, I put the indicator here. Hopefully I will use it up by the end of the month, but let's see. This next product I can definitely use up by the end of April, and it is the Fundamental Watery Oil Drops from Klairs. This is how much I have left. You can tell I don't have much left. This is, again, a very nice watery essence. It feels like it's oily. It's actually oil-free. It is super hydrating and super moisturizing. I love this stuff, but I need to use it up. It's been open for a while, and hopefully I will. Another product that I'm almost done with, but it's been like this for a couple of months now, and I haven't really used it up, is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum by the Inkey List. You can see, I'm not sure if it's going to be visible, I put a line right here. This is where I have reached. I have only this much left of it, so again, not a lot, but it's been like this for a while now, and I don't know why I always do this. I use the product quite a bit, and then when there's a little bit left, I just don't continue using it, but this time I'm gonna be done with this. Next product, I opened it up newly, but because this is the type of product that expires quickly, I want to make sure to add it into this project pan, and it is a vitamin C serum by Medik8. I recently reviewed this in my speed reviews. I really like this product, but it is tiny, but I want to make sure to use it up as soon as possible because this is how I can reap the best benefits from a vitamin C serum by using it up while it's fresh. So I put again a line of where I have reached. With this serum, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to finish it up by the end of April because it's a little bit oily, so I tend to use a little bit less than I would normally. So maybe if it's not going to be done by the end of April, definitely by the end of May. This product, I don't know what's going on with it. I have been using it on a nightly basis for the past, I would say, like 3 months, and still I'm not done with it. And the thing is, the bottle is so opaque, I cannot tell where I have reached. It feels super light, so probably my guess is I'm almost done with it, but the pump still works fine. It still pumps like a full pump, so it's not giving me any sign that it's almost over, which is something that I don't like about this product. I understand why the bottle is opaque to maintain the integrity of the formulation, but if I want to repurchase this, I don't know when to do so because I cannot tell how much I've used out of it. But hopefully it will be done by the end of April. We'll definitely update you guys. This product is one that I'm not super happy about it being in my project pan, but I have to put it in here because I've owned it for a while. It is the Squalane oil by the Inkey. I'm not like a super fan of this oil. It's okay, but it's a little bit greasy and I haven't used much of it. You can see where the line is. So I still have a lot to go. I'm thinking of using this on my body. I just really need to use it up. I don't want to waste it. So that could be a way I will do that. I'm just gonna use it on my body and hope for the best. Next product is actually one I really enjoy using. It is the Eucerin Face Lotion SPF 30. This is a very nice face sunscreen. I have a full review on it, but the reason why I want to use it up is because it's SPF 30. It's been open for a while and we're getting into the summer months. That's when I reach for SPF 50. So I know I'm not going to be reaching for it, but it's been open for a while, so I need to use it up. I have only used up to here. I thought I had used more, but this actually has 4 fluid ounces. So the double size of a regular sunscreen. If I use this on a daily basis, I will be able to use it up by the end of April. But because I'm trying new sunscreens all the time, I might not do that. But definitely by the end of May, this will be over. Okay, those were all my face skincare. I'm gonna move on to body care. I only have one product in this category. It is the Cerave Salicylic Acid Lotion. I love this lotion. I have used multiple bottles of it, but I recently opened this up and I'm not really reaching for it as much as I would like to. So I am hoping this will help me do that. I have used up to here where you see the line is. So probably I'm not going to finish it up by the end of April, but by the end of May, this should be used up completely. Next product is one that I know I can finish it up probably this week. I'm not reaching for it and I don't get why. It is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Conditioning Spray. This is an amazing product. This has been my go-to for, I would say, 3 to 4 years now. I just love it. It's really good at hydrating without leaving any residue on the hair. I just have this much left, you guys, only this much, but I'm not reaching for it because I am reaching for the one by Way. I just love the scent of that. Even though this one is probably more conditioning, the scent of that product just makes me reach for it all the time. So I put it in here. I want to make sure I use it up and just free up space in my drawers. This product is also by the Inkey, and this is their Salicylic Acid Exfoliating Scalp Treatment. This is a very nice product. It comes now in a different packaging than this, so you can tell I've had this for a while. It is a nice exfoliating treatment, nothing amazing and a little bit irritating if you use it continuously. But I put it in here because I really need to use it up, or if I'm not enjoying using it, at least I can get rid of it. But I am hoping I'll be able to use it up, and this is how much I have used. It's not a lot of product for the hair, so 5 to 6 more uses and this should be over. Last product in this project pan is also by the Inkey. It's the Hyaluronic Acid Hair Treatment. This is super hydrating. It's really good at tackling frizz. I really enjoy this product, but again, I wasn't reaching for it for whatever reason. I remember I was using it a lot for a while and then suddenly I forgot about it. but I have used almost most of it. Only like this much of it is left, so I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to use it up by the end of April if I make sure to use it every time I wash my hair. This is a really nice product, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to use it up. Those were all the products for this project pan. I know I am a little bit hopeful about some of them, and I might not be able to use all of them up by the end of May, but if I weren't to do this, I know they're just gonna be hanging around in my collection and going bad, and then I'm gonna have to throw them away. So I'm hoping this will help me really use them up and remember how long it takes me to use up a specific product, because honestly I have lost touch when it comes to that. Like, I don't know how long it takes me to use up a product, and hopefully this will remind me of that. I hope this video inspired you to use up some of the products you own, because I know a lot of you own a lot of products. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for my future content, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.